So I don't necessarily know if this is the packaging that you would get if you bought a pair of these. These are the new Sony Linkbuds Fit. Now, we're gonna take a look at this, and when Sony sent them to me, they sent all these, and I think possibly you can order these, of course, in different colors. I don't think you would get these all like this, but I think, of course, you would get whatever color you chose, and then you would get like pink, for instance, right? You'd get the pink ones, right? Or you'd get the black ones, or you get. I'm guessing it's their covers. We'll look at these in a minute. We'll take a color and we'll just take a look. But today we're going to look primarily at these, right? The Link Buds Fit. Now, these come in somewhere around the $300 mark, I believe. So these are not budget by any means. These are more flagship priced for sure. But when you actually pay a little bit more, or sometimes a lot more maybe, uh, for things like earbuds or headphones, there is usually a difference. And one of the things that I saw when looking at the new Link Buds, not that I got one, is that they actually now have this cool Link Buds little speaker. And as far as I know, if you have that little speaker and you're wearing one of the new Link Buds, you can automatically, when you get in range of that speaker, you can actually have the music go from your earbuds to the speaker. So like if you're out on the bus and you come home or wherever, you're at the gym, you come home, you don't want to continue playing the song, you just, that's kind of cool. Anyways, this is them, the Linkbuds Fit. So these ones came in this little box, and you get a little QR code. Tells you here how to start. So QR code means, of course, we're gonna take a look. They may use their new, I think it's like their Sony Music app, possibly. Oh, this is actually a help guide. So it shows you how to get started. English. Yep. I gotta accept some cookies. Find your fit. It has a Sound Connect app. So we want to make sure we download that. So we click on the little download, which I have already. I'm just going to open that so it's ready for these. And that's their app that they use for all their headphones and earbuds. So kind of cool. Let's get started. It says, put them in your ear, Bluetooth connect, I guess, and then listen to tunes. Seems reasonable. And then it has a little thing like tap twice. I'm going to keep this screen up so that we can actually see. Anyways, let's take the look how small that case is. That's pretty awesome. I'm going to keep that case over there. I like that. Not a bad little storage area. This is laid out really nice. And it does look like it could be like recycled material, which is nice. So inside here, it looks like you're going to be your manual, right? So you got little manuals there, cool. And inside here, you're going to have your USB-A to USB-C charging cables. And last but not least, you're going to have a little set of your different tips, depending on which one is going to be right for your ears. And then you get this, which is the actual earbuds. So that's snazzy. That's like a little, almost like a marble case. That's very cool. I like. Ooh, look at that. Those are nice. I like that case. That is slick. Okay, hold on now. Before we go anywhere, let's pretend I wanted these to be black. Yes? Again, we don't need to open up all the colors, but let's say we wanted black. My guess is this is, yeah, so it's cool. Maybe you get these. Maybe they come with it. Maybe they're just, something that you and I can. And it comes with this little keychain dealy here. Oh, so if you put these on, I see. I'm with you. So this would go here, for instance. Yes. This one here. Oh, I'm guessing I got them wrong way. I'm guessing this one here. Okay. That fits on there nice. This one's got like a little hole in it. I'm guessing for that USB connector. So if you want black, you now have black. They fit on there pretty good. And then once they're on there, you got the little keychain thing so that you can just take this. I like that. And you get all kinds of colors. Now, the other thing that's kind of cool too, if you so feel, I actually don't mind the white, but you do have the actual earbuds themselves. So we'll go with black. You say you wanted that. My guess is same kind of concept. You have these little covers. And I don't know, again, if you get all these, but take these out. Yeah, see how these have just whoops. They have this one has a white cover on it. So you could, I guess, could you just take that off? Yeah. So that you could just peel off if you didn't want that. And then you put this one on. Just make sure you put the right one on. It's nice because you can kind of tell that really they're only going to fit one way. So this, for instance, goes on there, fits on. And now you got this black on the outside. Well, that's kind of cool. Anyways, I'm gonna put those back somewhere. I have to say I don't mind the white. I do like the white, but knowing that you can change colors based on your mood or your preference, and I'm guessing you can just what you call it, possibly buy the different colors. Maybe it comes with them all. Again, I don't know. I'll take a look and I'll leave a comment down below so you guys can get an idea of whether they come with it. But that just fits on there. This, of course, goes in your ear. So I'm guessing this is this side, right? Just kind of goes in like so. You guys should be able to see that. That's nice. This one in here, pairing. It already came up, pairing. Those tips seem to fit. Those are comfy, actually. All right, let's just bring up that app, which I should have somewhere here. I'm going to say, this is my old Sony's. I'm going to say switch device. Linkbuds S, Linkbuds Fit, right? That's what these are. So I'm going to say select those. It says pairing. Okay, click. Okay, so I did actually have to go in here and you'll see Linkbuds Fit. So I'm going to connect them through here. Make sure the app isn't open when you do this because it seems like both want to kind of connect at the same time. Linkbuds Fit, it says I found them. They're registered. I can hit next. Now we're off and running. Proceed to optimize the app, right? Not optimized, but you can. There's a bunch of different music services if you want to try them. I'll see later. Setup is complete. And you guys can see here, right? Use voice assistant if you want. So voice assistant on the headphones enables you to control with music with your voice. So play next song, right? Okay, use voice assistant. Set up Alexa. Okay, why not? Let's give it a try. So let's see. I'm curious now. If I brought up music, for instance, I'm listening to some My Chemical Romance. First off, just so you guys know, they sound awesome. Ready? Hold on. Volume down. Alexa, volume down. Yeah, those sound fantastic. Nice and rich, actually. It's a really nice, rich sound for sure. Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song. Now, the issue may be I have an Alexa, so it's actually just listening to that. So it's doing it over there. So let's go back here.
Sorry.
We'll see inside here you have your noise canceling. We have ambient sound. You can just switch it, right? So now you can hear my voice coming through, or you can turn it completely off. So that it's kind of like blah. You do have an equalizer. So if you wanted, you could come in here and do like a bass boost. Yeah, treble boost. We'll go to, yeah, that's good. And I want a noise canceling, good. Bass boost. Adaptive sound control. These are cool actually because you can kind of come in here and say, you can tailor the headphone settings to best match your lifestyle. So it'll optimize it. So it knows like it'll switch between different modes depending on where you are. Connect to 2 devices simultaneously. And your device settings, right? So speak to chat. So if you want background music effect, you can turn that on, I guess. If you turn on this, the following functions will be, the equalizer will turn off. What does it do though? I'm not 100% sure. Oh, it's like in a cafe. Oh, you got a whole bunch of cafe, living room. The spread of sound will change. Select your preferred listening. My room. Oh yeah, no, it changes. That's kind of neat. I'll turn that back off. And there's a preset equalizer. Spatial sound, if you actually have, or 360 sound, depending on if you actually have a music service that actually supports that. Bluetooth connection quality, so you can kind of come in here, priority sound quality. So I could do this. It'll actually shut itself off and prioritize sound quality, so you get better. All right, and then you have this DSEE Extreme Auto. Sure, why not? And then you have your menu. Software updates. Do I have the latest update? They have the latest, okay. So we can go back here. Software update. Shows you all that. Yeah, these sound fantastic. Really good. Last thing, and you can see it's got this adaptive sound control. It keeps coming up and this sound connect transferring. Yeah, I like these. And again, like even at full, they sound pretty amazing. These are a win. These come in about $2.99. Again, I'm not 100% sure if you get all these different like case options, but if you do, like color options, that's pretty amazing. I'll look into it just to see what they have. But again, you can just keep the white, which is I like the white by itself. They have black and they have these pink and blue. So depending on what your needs are, there's got to be a way to stop these, right? Oh, it's right on the side. There, I got it. We got it. Yeah, very cool. And I like you get this little thing here. You know? Yeah, that's sweet. That's a win. I like these. I'll be wearing these for sure. Nothing wrong with these at all. All right, guys, these are the Linkbuds Fit, $2.99, right? So definitely have some cool features for sure. If that's something that you're interested in, extra features are always cool. But on the flip side, they're just really nice. Like, look how small that case is. That's pretty amazing, right? But the sound quality out of them, yeah, it's good. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave you there. I'll put links down below to where you can look at the Linkbuds Fit, and I will see you guys next video. Later.